All right, guys, I am super excited. We got this McLaren 720S Spider inside the shop. We just covered it with full matte paint protection film. We are an authorized Rift dealer. Carbon fiber spoiler from Rift right here. As you can tell, the weave matches beautifully. Details are gorgeous on every part of the spoiler. Really brings it back into this car to life. Gel coat consistency, straight out of the box. Absolutely beautiful. We do have Rift carbon fiber for Ferrari, Lamborghini, McLaren, and several others. Just inquire, guys, and we'll get you the answers to what you need, okay? We do have downpipes, full titanium exhaust, tuning, carbon fiber. What more could you ask for? Beautiful vehicle. The windshield on this was protected with an S-Tech windshield paint protection film, as well as the roof, which is glass, and the back pillars, which are also glass. Windows were tinted with a full ceramic option. It is absolutely stunning, guys. Absolutely stunning.
Thank you everybody so much for tuning in. If you enjoy videos like this, be sure to hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and comment down below what you want to see next.